Welcome to Tech Friday, the podcast about this week's hottest tech insights, hosted by a team of technology experts from Zfort Group. We share exclusive content on artificial intelligence, big data, AR, VR, and blockchain, and watch how these emerging technologies transform businesses and lives. We'll be sharing exclusive content received from closed tech communities, paid mail shots, other exclusive podcasts, and mass media.
Hi all, in this Tech Friday episode, we'll discuss the reasons why 2020 is the best time to go digital, and the key difference between digitization, digitalization, and digital transformation. Jump in. Being entrenched in the digital age, businesses need to match the pace of change. Today's leaders are those who differentiate, disrupt, and transform. Yet 70% of all digital transformation efforts do not reach their goals. Billions of dollars go to waste. That is why it's crucial to define what is digital transformation straight. The better one understands this concept, the better prospects they hold. Indeed, the meaning of digital transformation may be a bit of a mess due to its overuse. In a narrow sense, digital transformation can be mentioned as a paperless office. In the broadest sense of the term, it is a new approach to doing business, applying digital capabilities to improve organization efficiencies, increase customer value, and create new monetization opportunities. Digital transformation strategy is changing the way business moves, in some cases, creating entirely new classes of businesses. When businesses are driven right by experts in the digital transformation journey, they become aligned with customers' demands and flexible in the fast-moving digital future. Digitization, digitalization, and digital transformation. How not to be confused? The question is more crucial than a linguistic exercise. To combat the ambiguity, let's take it from the beginning. Earlier businesses used to store documents on paper, so the data kept in those physical documents were parallel. As computers grew in popularity, organizations started converting analog records to digital format. This means encoding information into zeros and ones for computers to store documents as files. In some respects, digitization of manufacturing industries has enabled new production processes, the Internet of Things, and machine vision. Digitization of businesses and enterprises produced the electronic payment and paperless office. In the educational field, it induced the e-learning phenomenon. Furthermore, digitization provoked such technologies as smartphones, video games, web applications, cloud services, electronic identification, and even blockchain. Digitalization refers not only to the IT sphere. Today, 94% of all information is digital. Digital data has become a fundamental part of our everyday lives. A wave of digitalization is fueling innovation in business. Organizations change the way they operate to be digitally compatible. No industry is safeguarded from the transition to the digital model. Gaining digital skills has now become a prerequisite for individual, production, and regional success. Heart of digitalization is the change of jobs. For example, digitized production enables factory workers to put down their hammers and using computer-controlled equipment instead. Digitalization changed customer service forever by making customer records easily and quickly retrievable through the ideas for using business technology in new ways, and not just to do the old things faster with the help of a computer. Why digital transformation matters for your business. According to IDC's research, global spending on the technologies and services that bring the digital transformation process is going to reach $2.3 trillion in 2023, with the period from 2019 to 2023 seeing a steady expansion of digital transformations to reach this figure. This shows that ever-increasing digital transformation is being considered as a long-term investment, with initiatives set to seize a 50% share of worldwide technology investment by 2023. Digital business is no longer a choice. Today, even the CIO role is gaining more strategic influence within organizations. They have to shift their focus from traditional technology management to projects that drive the business towards growth and make it future-proof. Enterprises that are looking to grow and stay ahead of the competition in our digital-first world realize the relevance of digital transformation. Staying competitive is the key reason for a business to be laser-focused on their digital transformation journey. Apart from digitization, transforming how businesses operate is compelling. As Profit, an advisory company, states, digital transformation is extending well beyond its roots to reshape businesses holistically. The reason is that the majority of enterprises reported their digital transformation efforts expanded beyond IT into organization-wide initiatives. It means a significant number of companies are moving deeper into the digital transformation strategy. Main digital transformation trends in 2020. What digital transformation trends are coming soon? Think about 2020 fresh trends. IT leads should be prepared not only to lead an enormous cultural shift in the company, but also to get ready for digital transformation changes in the IT service provider sector. Get real about data administration. Embrace AI and insight-driven innovation, and explore the benefits of public cloud adoption. Here are 5 main upcoming trends in digital transformation. Number 1, more attention to the use of AI and machine learning. Businesses should cope with their wrangled data and then scale this data conveniently. Machine learning and AI will be used in terms of data architecture models to automate and mitigate the data governance problem. Number 2, public cloud adoption expansion. IT leaders will strive to leverage public cloud capabilities to accelerate value rather than investing time and money developing them internally. Number 3, low-code development. This is a faster and simpler way to create an application. Low-code platforms are the most suitable tool for accelerating app delivery. A minimum of hand coding and fast setup and deployment enable business users with zero programming experience to build applications using drag-and-drop segments through a clear user interface. Number 4, personalizing customer experience. More and more customers expect from their service provider a seamless omni-channel experience accessible anytime from anywhere. Google, Facebook, Amazon, and other giants drive transformation in consumer experiences. Number 5, support vector machines. An algorithm that analyzes complex data transformations and figures out how to separate data based on the labels. This helps businesses in their decision-making process. Some typical applications of SVM are face detection, text and hypertext categorization, classification of images, and handwriting recognition. How to digitally transform your business. A digital transformation strategy is primarily a business transformation strategy. So before any implementation, organizations should hold an internal assessment to identify their gaps in how your company is doing business. This can be done by breaking down your business into a chain of business processes. It will allow a business to see which process needs digitalization. A detailed map may seem complicated at first, so the right thing to do is to turn to specialists with the expertise in digitization. After identifying gaps and bridges, most probably, an organization should rebuild them. At this point, all employees should accept these changes and begin to follow them. Otherwise, the whole thing will be useless. The digital transformation worked for these companies because their leaders went back to the core. In reality, they focused on shifting the mindset of its members as well as the organizational culture and processes before they select what digital tools to use and how.
Thanks for listening. Join us next week to discuss the latest tech stories, trends, and insights. Be sure to subscribe now to stay on top of the world's tech community news with Zfort Group.